Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are doing a full face using only It Cosmetics. Yes, I have been loving It Cosmetics for about 2 years already when they first came out with their superhero mascara and then their blowout mascara, and then lastly I had also loved their oil-free CC matte foundation. So those were my top favorites. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. Today we are not doing no eyeshadow look because It Cosmetics eyeshadows were, I didn't really like it at all. They were all cool tone shades and I'm not all about cool tone shades. It has to be like warm tones or like bold colors. So I don't really like the color scheme of their eyeshadow palette, so we are not doing no eyeshadow. But for eyeliner, I have the No Tug Waterproof Anti-Aging Gel Liner. And it's a black shade. I'm gonna swatch it for you. Oh, so pretty. So I'm gonna like zoom in just a little bit so you guys could see. It's a gel liner. I love gel liner. The thing about gel liners, they are so easy to apply versus a pencil. So I know you guys gonna come at me because I always pull my eyelids. Well, if you're new to my channel, I have hoodie eyelids and this is the only way I could do it. Like I try to do it like this, but my eyes like keeps blinking, so this is the only way I could do it. For mascara, I'm using the Lash Blowout. And this one's in the shade Black. You see? I prime my skin. Now for foundation, I have the CC Oil Free Matte Poreless Finish Foundation, and it has SPF 40, and I have mine in shade Neutral Medium. Neutral Medium, and it comes with a pump. I've been using this thing so much, so this is like one of my favorite foundations from it because it is so full coverage and it has SPF and is great for the summertime. So I'm using my Wet n Wild foundation. This is the classic Wet n Wild brush. So I'm using this like a paddle brush because I want that like full coverage look. Then I'm gonna take my foundation brush. I'm just gonna like blend. Then for concealer, I have received this sample. It is the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. You can see. And this one is in the shade Neutral Medium, where I started using this a couple of times, and this concealer is amazing. Definitely covers up the dark circles and it is waterproof. I use both. I use the foundation and the concealer in the summertime, and my makeup didn't move whatsoever. But I haven't got a chance to like make a purchase on this, like get the full size of this. Obviously it's a sample size, but I love it so much. So when I get a chance, I will definitely order it because I need it for the summertime for this year. And it's so full coverage. Watch, I'm taking my brush and I'm just like applying it right here, and it's like instantly. See, this is the before. Oh my god, look at this, all these dark circles, and this is gonna like instantly cover it. You guys see the difference? Look at the dark circles here, and look how like instantly covers the dark circles. Then to set my concealer and to like don't let the concealer move throughout the day, this is the Bye Bye Pores Press Powder, and again this is a sample size. So I'm just like setting the concealer so it doesn't move throughout the day. Basically, it's just amazing products. I just love it. Cosmetics products, like they left me no problems. I have no problems with this brand. This brand is so good. It does the job well. Everything that they say, the primer, concealers, everything what a cosmetic have does the job well, and I just love it. So I'm gonna take a lot and I'm gonna like set my foundation in. Look at this, and just like set my foundation in so it don't like move throughout the day. Next, I have this thing that I received from my past, and I just really love this. This is a Quoi palette. It has 4 in 1. It has the Bye Bye Pores blush, Bye Bye Pores press, the one I just used right now, and they have bronzer and a perfect lighting illuminate. So this is a cosmetic, like a quad palette. It says something here, but I can't pronounce this. So what you do is just open here, and it's like this, like a quad stuff. So this is the press palette that I just used, and this is bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So I'm gonna be using these 3 right now. So let's start with the bronzer right here. And everything that I mentioned today, everything will be in the description box below. So I'm taking this bronzer. It's in the shade Warmth. It's the Bye Bye Pores bronzer in this quad palette. So I'm just gonna like bronze my skin. So this is the Bye Bye blush, Bye Bye Pores blush. So I'm going to take my blush brush just a little bit. Just take about that much. Yes, so now I'm gonna take the highlighter. It's called the Perfect Lighting Illuminator right here. Luminizer. Like that. Take my highlighter brush like that. Wow. For the lips, I have the Vitality Lip Flush in the shade Perfect Nude. So this is it. It's like a nude liquid lipstick. And let me swatch it. And the shade is Perfect Nude. So pretty, right? Perfect Nude is the shade, so God, my lip is peeling. It is so pretty. Look at this nude color. Oh my God. I love this color. Perfect for like every day. And it's very buttery. as it says. Like, do you guys like it? So beautiful, nude, perfect for every day. It's not too dramatic, not too crazy, so we love it. So pretty, love it. They have these in other colors too, but I wanted a shade that could be like universal, like for every day or whatnot. And I like it. Look at this. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this full face using only Cosmetics. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button right here so you don't miss more makeup videos from me. Yes, that's right, more makeup, more hair care and skincare and more. So don't forget to click subscribe right there, and I'll see you in my next video.